my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Welcome, welcome. Today, guys, we're going to be glamming up this glass vase right here. So if you're ready to get started, you know what to do. Go grab your favorite drink and let's get crafting. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this DIY is of course your vase. You're going to need some mirrored tiles, and I'm using the kind that has the sticky back already. And you're going to need some diamond wrap ribbon, which has the sticky back as well. You're going to need any kind of embellishment that you might want to use. I may or might not use this chain trim. You're going to need your scissors, your hot glue gun, and of course your drink of choice, which mine today is some peppermint tea, soothing and calming. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off by peeling off my backing of my mirrored tiles, and I'm not going to do it all the way down because these stick so well that I don't want them to stick before I have a chance to place them. And I'm just going to start right here at the rim of my glass, and I'm just going to pull it on down. Like so. Now, we want those edges to stay down because they will tend to come up. Be very careful that the glass doesn't cut you because these are mirrored tiles. So you want to be very careful of that. And then I'm going to just cut at the end, or I might can just break it where I want it to stop at. Yeah, I can just break it off where I want it to stop. Okay. So next, I'm going to take the widest of my Bling ribbon here, and I'm going to peel the backing off of that as well. I'm just going to start right next to where I stopped at and start at the top again. Try to fit it right next up, butt it up next to it. Now I might have some I have to cut off. That's how it's looking. We'll go all the way to the edge again. And I'm going to cut that off. And don't worry about the bottom because we're going to cover that up anyway, okay? Then I'm going to go back up to the top and cut some of that off. Next, I'm going to go back to my mirrored tiles. And I'm going to go right across from my other one on the other side. And we're going to pay close attention to those edges. Make sure they're down. And we're going to break that off again. That's how it looks. Next, we'll go back to our ribbon. And we're going to place it on the side of it. Butt it up against there as good as you can. Kind of turn it a little bit. That's how that side's looking. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going to take some more of our mirrored towel. And we're going to butt that up against the end as well. You know, actually, I think I want to like just put it like right in the middle of these two. That's what I think I'm going to do. Try to start off right in the middle. Yep. Again, they break off very easily. Okay. And we're going to go right across from it on the other side. Right in the middle of those two. And do the same thing. And that's how it's looking. Now we're going to take the rest of our ribbon and we're going to kind of work our way in between. Okay, so we want to butt this one right up against this one. And it overlapped, but that's okay. That's the way I want it. Okay, now I'm going to do this side the same way. Now we'll fill in this part. Then I'm going to put another piece right here. Okay, so now guys, where I have my widest opening is on one side, and then I have this one over on this side. I want to fill that in a little bit more. So I'm taking some of my mirror tiles that I cut into 3 rows, and I'm just going to take that straight down the middle from the top. Get that straight down the middle. And that's how that's going to look. That fills that in a little bit more. And now I will do the other side. Okay, and that's how it looks. Now I'm going to take my embellishment and I'm going to place it going around the bottom. always falling. It's always falling. There, that's how that looks. I think that's very beautiful. And now I would like to finish off the top as well. So those mirrored pieces, I'm going to take a strip of those and I'm going to finish off the top. Okay guys, so this is how she's looking. I think it's super duper cute. Okay guys, so this is how it looks with the flowers in the vase. Super duper cute. Guys, if you enjoyed this DIY video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also, leave me a comment down below. And hit your notification bell, not once, but twice, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.